Hey guys, welcome back to another video. All right guys, in this video, I'm getting ready to share with you how I made these quick and easy earrings. Majority of these items can be picked up right from your local Dollar Tree. So here's a pair right here that has some hearts on them. Here's a pair of the green ones. And also a pair in amber. I picked these gems up right from my local Dollar Tree store. They comes in multiple sizes, large, and also some smaller ones. And they come with some really pretty colors. So I just have it in my cup right here. Optional is this right here. These are some hearts with a little adhesive on the back of them. And that's where I got I put them right here on the glass part here, on the clear one. This is optional and it sticks right on. You can also, if you want them to have a longer stick, you can definitely add some glue. I picked this glue right here that we're going to be using right from the Dollar Tree. This is some super glue. The colors are going to be blue. And you're going to need some backings that look like this. These are the earrings. I'm not for sure exactly the name of them, so I'm just going to call it the earrings backings. And then you're going to have your stoppers or your your hooks. All right. And I just got a card where I'm just going to, what I picked up from the Dollar Tree, no, sorry, from Walmart's, where I can put these earrings on. Let's get started. It's a really easy process. All you're doing is taking your glue and you're just going to put a small amount on the flat part of the bead. You're going to know which one is the flat part because this one has a more layer. And this is flat. So we're just going to take the glue and put just a small amount on the back. Just like that. Take your hook. 1 second. Take your hook or your backing and place it directly on top and give it just a small amount of pressure. Okay? Now we're going to go ahead and take our second one. And we're just going to put a small amount of glue on it, just a dab. Once you put your grape backing on, it spreads a little bit, so don't put too much. So just put it right on top. Give it a little pressure. And now we're going to sit these to the side and allow them to dry. It shouldn't take no more than about 5 or 10 minutes for them to dry. And once you are done, once they are dry, you put them on the back of your card along with your hooks. And you're going to come out with some beautiful earrings. Looks like this. Add some embellishment by adding the hearts right here. Or just leave them plain. So you can see the various colors that we can use and play around with to create these earrings. They're absolutely adorable. And as you can see, it only takes about 60 seconds to make. The only long process is just allowing them to dry. And please allow them to dry. Give them about 10 minutes to dry. And you'll be really, really happy with the result. All right, guys, let me pop this picture in real quick. These are how they look when they dry. Guys, how awesome is this? So I just wanted to show you how they look once they have dried. All right, guys, back to the video. All right, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share the video out, and I will see you guys in our next upload. Bye for now.